Hello, this is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and this is a review of the Kellie wig from Envy in the color Amaretto and Cream. Now this isn't so much about the color, though it does look really cool on Kellie here, but if you want to learn more about that, please do a search on our YouTube channel for that color spotlight video. It's definitely on there. But this is more about Kellie. This is a really cute shag. She has a 100% hand-tied monofilament top. I would say this one actually fits very roomy in the ear to ear. So if you're somebody that needs a little bit of extra space, or you've got a lot of hair that you're trying to tuck up under your cap, this will be a great one for that. There is some extra room back here at the crown. I feel like this one fits true to average at the perimeter. Very cute, sort of shaggy cut. Beautiful fringe on this one. It's 4.25 inches, but it's slightly curled so it doesn't go directly in your eyes. Lots of layering, and this Amaretto and Cream color really calls attention to it. Let me do that a little bit more slowly so you can check out what Kellie looks like on all sides. I think this is kind of an underrated little cut. It's kind of like a bob right at the front, and then the rest of it's just all shaggy. Very cool. Nice amount of hair density on this one for a monofilament top wig, though it will settle over time, or you can encourage it to by just getting your hands a little warm and sort of pressing here very gently. You can get that to sort of encourage those knots to settle a little bit closer to the scalp, if you don't like it being so fluffy. And if you want to encourage it to be fluffy, hang it upside down when you go to bed at night. And that way those knots don't settle down into place. But here's what Kellie's layering looks like up close. You can see all this great texture built in, beautiful straight, kind of long nape here. The nape is 4.25 inches, so it does sort of curl in towards the rest of the face. Beautiful fringe, very thick, densely knotted monofilament top. And there is no permatease in this wig. Oh, there is. There's a tiny, 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 tiny little bit of it right under there, right under the crown. I found it. I'm like the permatease detective. Anyway, she's got open ear tabs. She's open on the sides and in the back with an extended open nape. It adjusts a bit like a bra back here. Not the stretchiest of wigs at the perimeter, but it will stretch a little bit. The room up here was kind of an unexpected little perk. She does have a band of polyurethane right here at the front hairline. I'm gonna go ahead and shake her out just a little bit and put her back on. Great shag cut. I mean, it's just one of those styles that looks cuter the messier you make it. Like this, with this blazer is giving me a very like Shane from the L Word kind of vibe. I kind of dig it, so I'm gonna leave it like this. So this one is Kellie from Envy in the color Amaretto and Cream. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. That's CysterWigs.com, showing you all kinds of cool hair and hair colors. If you want to find out more about that stuff, you know, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of our videos, because, I mean, we launch them all the time. And until next time, have a great night, everybody. Bye-bye.